Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a DAISO haul. I'm sorry guys, I'm all checking myself. It's because I have a nursing bra and sometimes I forget that I'm supposed to clip it back on, so I don't want like my boob to hang out. So just TMI, I don't know if you guys needed to know that, but if you guys saw that, yes, it's because I do nurse. So anyways, moving on back to the video. So I have an exciting haul. Guys, I feel like it's been a hot minute since I went to DAISO. Now, I also did a come along with me to DAISO and I showed like the whole store, so that way you guys can see everything what they have. I will link also that channel down below in case you guys are interested. I found some really cute things that I wanted to share with you guys. But before we begin, if you guys have not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button. I do post 5 days a week and I would love to have you guys. And do not forget to also click the notification bell so that way you get notified every time I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into it. So, okay, the first item that I wanted to show you guys is this pen right here. I love DAISO so much because I feel like they are genius at what they bring out. They bring things that you didn't think you need, and then when you see it, you're like, where have you been all my life? This is one of them, guys. So this is a ball pen and mechanical pencil. I have never seen anything like this anywhere. Let me open it for you guys so you can see. And everything at DAISO, if you guys don't know, is $1.50 unless stated otherwise. But most of their items are $1.50. So it looks like this, and there are different colors of pens that are right here. You just push it down, and then the mechanical pencil is obviously in the middle, so you can just push this down and you'll have the pencil. And it also has a little eraser right here. I just love this. I cannot wait to wear this. Girl, I've been doing too many hauls lately. I cannot wait to use this. I'm definitely gonna be putting it in my purse, so I'm really excited about this one. And another thing that I'm really excited about is this cutlery combination set. So it looks like this, guys. Oh my gosh, you see what I'm saying? Like, what? Who thinks of this? This is so genius. So basically, let me try to get it out. So basically it comes in this little container, and when you open it up, it comes with the spoon. Now I already tore it apart because it took forever to tear these two suckers apart. So yeah, it looks like this, and it's brown. I just think this is perfect. I'm gonna be using this for on the go whenever I feed my baby girl, so I can always have a spoon. And it also comes with 2 chopsticks. So yeah, I got this one. Guys, I'm just blown away. The only one I wish I did get is another one that's similar like this, but the difference is it has a spoon, fork, and some chopsticks, but you kind of have to connect them. And I think that was the only reason why I didn't want to, but now looking back, I'm like, I wish I did. I'm so weird. Like, I feel like I need the fork too to complete my little set in here, but I'm okay. I think I'll be fine. But yeah, that was something that honestly I really loved as well. And then, oh my gosh, guys, when I saw this, I literally just gasped. I've been wanting a sunglass holder for a long time, and when I saw this, I got so excited. So they have this in a light purple, baby blue, and obviously this pink right here. It is just beautiful, guys. So it looks like this, and this bow is like everything. I just love this bow, and this is how it looks inside. I just think it's so pretty. Look at that. So pretty. I really love this for $1.50, guys. $1.50. You cannot beat this. So amazing. And then I did get a bunch of spoons, guys. Well, not a bunch, but I got some spoons that I wanted to show you guys. So first being are these spoons right here. These are the rice porridge. No, I'm sorry, it's rice porridge. And these are really beautiful wooden spoons. They do say that it is, let's see, it's beech wood. So that's the type of wood it is, and it's a rice porridge spoon. But honestly, I'm gonna be using this for whatever the heck I want. I love to use these for soups, and I've been wanting wooden spoons for a while now. I love wooden spoons. I just think they are really pretty, and I feel like they're better for the environment. So yeah, I got this, and I'm really excited about that. And I also got these right here, which I'm gonna be using for my baby girl to feed her. And this is with Mickey Mouse ears, which I think it's really cute. They have like Disney products, and there's 2 of them for $150. I just think that is such a great buy. And then the other set of spoons that I got are these 2 right here. They call them dessert spoons. I've never heard of dessert spoons, but there they are. And I just really love the way they look, guys. This is so cute. This is like perfect for my baby girl, so I had to get it. I was debating on getting the Mickey Mouse or this one, but I was like, you know what? It's $150. I'm gonna get both. The next item I got is this really cute stuffed animal. I got it for my baby girl. I just seen it and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get it for her. I just think he is so adorable. He or she, well, it's pink. I'm gonna say she. She is so adorable. It looks kind of like a dog. So yeah, I really love this so much. The next item that I wanted to show you guys, this one I'm actually really excited about because I do use these quite a bit, especially in the summertime. So it is these blotting sheets, and there's 100 sheets. I just think that is such a great deal. Now I usually get the ones from Elf, and they come with 50 sheets, and they're, I think, about $2 now. They used to be $1, but I think they're like $2. I could be wrong, but I know that they have increased their prices. But guys, $1.50 for 100 sheets. I absolutely love it. And now last but not least, I bought 2 large bowls. I feel like the bowls and all their kitchen essentials that you need, they have some really beautiful bowls, guys. So I got 2 of these. This is huge, guys. This is like the type of bowl that you see when you go to a restaurant and you order pho soup. If you guys have never ordered pho soup, you really need to. It's like a Vietnamese traditional soup. Love it. Amazing. I always order the one with the tofu and vegetables because I don't eat meat, guys. I am vegan. But guys, this is a huge freaking bowl. So I got 2. I regret only getting 2. I wish I got 4. So I think maybe next week I'm gonna go back to DAISO. I'm gonna get 2 more of these, and I'm probably gonna get some more bowls. They also have like cereal bowls. They have like regular plates, and there's something about their plates and bowls. They just look really beautiful, and I think it's really great quality. So yeah, guys, these were not $150. These are the only ones that were not $150. So these were actually how much were they? These were $3. So yeah, still, I do not regret it. I absolutely love it. So that is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.